Hey everyone. Okay, so I got my sew sampler in for the month of June. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. I've never been so excited about this box. But these have my heart. These right here have my heart right now. And I'm so excited that I've been following along. And so I want to, Midsummer Magic is what it's called. Let's see what our coupon code is. Oh, okay. Pretty cool. 15% off Tula Pink fabrics and quilt kits. You always get a coupon. When you, oh, so we got Tula Pink stuff. That's cool. Let's see what we get, you guys. Okay, so we got some, I am now keeping these. Let me scoot you in, because now that I'm going to be doing the wool applique, I'm like, I think I can use this thread. So that's cool. And this is a value of $5.98. It is small 50 weight Aurifil Violet. Yeah, so that's pretty. And then we have, oh, what are these? Magic clips. Precise sewing, no need to remove the clips. The clip you can sew right over. And I don't think I've ever seen these. Huh, alright. This is a value of $8.98. I'll have to watch a YouTube video. Oh, cool. I like when we get the, I mean, I have all these rulers. This is a 3.5 ruler. But I don't mind, because when all my extra rulers, I put in my retreat kit. So then that way I don't have to pull anything from home. I'll have these in my stash. This is $11.98. It's a 3.5 inch creative grid ruler. Pretty cool. And look at we get Free Spirit Tula Pink. What is this one though? This one is going to be Full Moon Forest 2. Oh, I have this one. I love it. This must be a layer cake, right? It's a layer cake. I'm pretty sure it's a layer cake. Let's see. Yeah, 20 10-inch squares. So it's a layer cake, which Free Spirit can't call it a layer cake, because that's all. And that's all copyrighted by Moda, I think. $22.98. Perfect. Love it. It's a little extras. I like that. And then we have Wise Guys. Oh, how cute. It's an owl. It's an owl one with Tula Pink fabrics. Oh, how cute is that? How fun. This is $9.98. Yeah, $9.98. And last but not least is this month's Flowering Block 3. Oh, this is really pretty, you guys. So I want to each month show you what my blocks look like. Let me show you. So I figured I'd share. Let's see. So this was block 1. You guys saw that in the last video, I believe. So this is block 1. And let me see if I can scoot you out a little bit more. Yes, I can. There you go. So block 1 is this one. And then block 2 is this one. It's all Lori Holt fabric, because I really want to use up all my fabric I have from her. Because I have a lot of it. I have all her collections. So this is one way for me to do it. So this is Flowering Block 2. And now I gotta pick my colors for block 3. Alright guys, so I'm following along. Are you guys following along? I love it. I love the colors. I've never used a low volume that is busy. And it's, I'm loving it though. Alright guys, take care. We'll see y'all later. Bye.